good vibes and positive energy is the key tool you need to starting a YouTube channel.
Hi dears! You know, it really doesn't take much to start a YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you the gears that I used to start. It's nothing but just all I used to earn. Just this, for example, and this, and a ring light. Then I'm using the ring light right now to hold up the camera that I am using to make this video. It's really fun to make YouTube video, so follow me in as I show you through. You can start with your iPhone, it doesn't matter, 5, 6, 7, 8, just go with it. So it's a beautiful weather today. You can see I am wearing a tank top, even though I still have my cashmere to put on and flex for you, and I are thinking that starting up a YouTube channel, you need to spend tons of money to invest on products that you need to start off with, like cameras, lightings and all that, fine. If you don't have it at all, you have to invest. But if you already have something, you really don't have to invest. You can just make use of all the things that are currently with you and carry on with it.
This, my Canon camera SX540HS, came in super handy when I was about to start my YouTube channel. It is my travel buddy. Before I forget, please check out my travel website www.lonzy.com for your affordable travels this summer. Offers is ongoing right now on flights, hotels, taxis, etc. Please check it out. Don't forget to observe distancing and wear mask as you enjoy. Anyways, back to my camera. This camera is super sleek. What I like about it is that it is 50 times optical zoom and full HD with 20.3 megapixel. I'm just gonna whisper to you, I got it from Cash Converter, meaning that it is second hand, but it is still serving the purpose. So if you own this kind of thing, go on with it. This camera is super sleek. One click, you get a crystal clear picture, and the pictures are super easy to transfer to any platform, Android or iPhone, via Canon Connect. So if you already own something like this, welcome to YouTube family. You don't have to give yourself any kind of headache anymore because this is just all you need. But if you don't have it, don't worry, your phone will still serve. So this is another great tool that I had. I normally use this for my selfies, but it came very handy when I do my unboxing videos. It's really super nice. What I like most about this selfie stick is the fact that you can use it as long or you bring it back and use it as short. So it is flexible and it is very easy to connect your phone to it. They said it holds the phone tight and it wouldn't move or fall off when you are taking pictures, and it's quite easy to connect the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth on it. Again, it has this beautiful tripod stand that made it easy for me to use it for my unboxing video instead of using the ring light. So I will set it up and then use the ring light only to flash light instead of attaching my phone also on it. But this product is really fragile, so if you stretch it longer when your phone is on it, you really need to set it very well for it to stand. You can twist it round anyhow you want, front or back, and leave it there, but you really need to be careful with placing it because it's really fragile when it stretches out long. Really, I don't want to spend extra money. If you want it to balance, you just have to make it this way and it will stay balanced, right? So you can actually get other brands from Amazon. So I'm using this. It's really nice. Yeah. The ring light. This is another product that came in really handy when I was about to start my YouTube channel. Actually, the most annoying thing about this light is that it wobbles, so it falls over many times when I'm setting it up, which makes me so scared because I don't want it to break. It is so fragile, it can break. Otherwise, it's serving purpose. Apart from the purpose why I bought it, which it wasn't serving, it is now serving purpose for YouTube. Thank God. Okay, this ring light is sold for $29.99. As at the time I bought it, I wouldn't say if it is cheap or not because I don't know how much other ring lights are going for. And then the setup is quite easy, not easy peasy because you still need to figure some things out. It came in this cute bag which is made by Jackstech something illuminate your beauty. Pardon me, I don't know, but if you have this, you're good to go. This flash drive is another great tool that came in handy when I started my YouTube channel. What is fun about it is the easiness it creates for me to copy things from my phone and straight up to my laptop because it has different tips. You can see it has tips for iPhone, Android, and laptop, so it's easy. You can find this in Amazon. They have different makes of this in Amazon and it's really quite affordable. So this came in handy. I use it to transfer works and I also use it to save my work. I know so many people already own flash drive, so you can make use of it either for transferring your work from your phone to laptop or for storing your work. Remember this Nokia phone? You remember this Nokia phone? It can still save you. You know, we've been taking pictures for ages. I mean, it doesn't matter the kind of phone you have, whether it is Android or iPhone, you can get on with it. My phone came in super handy when I started my YouTube channel. So you don't have to hold on and say because you do not have iPhone, which I know so many people like myself are more attracted to iPhone, but Android phones does the same work. I still do some things on my Android phone and it serves me the same purpose. So if you want to be part of YouTube family, do not have any excuse that will hold you back. Come on in. So finally, here comes my super duper Isa laptop. This is another thing I own that came in super handy when I started my YouTube channel. So if you already own a laptop or an iPad or anything like that, you are good to go. So this laptop is super great because like it's everything. I do a bit on my iPhone and come over here to finish it up by copying some using the flash drive I showed you previously, and come here and do any finishing touches that I need to do, and boom, I upload my content to YouTube Studio and voila, there we go. Tagging, every other thing that actually may be tedious to do on the phone, I do it here. But that is not to say that the phone is not easy, because if you have all the things that you need downloaded on your phone, you can do absolutely everything on your phone. But I didn't download everything on my phone. That is why I still do bits and bits on my laptop, right? So guys, if you own anything of these things that I have shown you, you are good to go. But you know the amazing thing, I've owned this laptop for 10 good years, but it's still working absolutely normal. It's still trendy. So if you want to buy stuff, buy good stuff. Anyways, Acer is super great. So are you ready to start, or is there any more drawbacks in terms of starting as regards to tools? Let me know in the comment section because I really want you to start. So this is all I started with and all I am still using. I don't really want to spend extra money to buy anything except the needs comes, or when the money starts flowing in and I need to buy more, then I will go on ahead to buy more. That is all. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the like button, and please comment in the comment section if you think all the gears here is something everybody must have earned and ready to start their YouTube channel. So this is all it takes to start a YouTube channel. I do hope I helped boost your morale to start minimally with what you already own. You don't have to think much. You don't have to worry too much. Just use this. You don't have to own this. If you have just your phone, you can go with it, right? Don't forget to click the notification button and also the cards above or links below for the rest of the 30 days series video.